Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill from Competition Cars, and now we have something really special. I know I say all my cars are special, and they are in their own way, but this one is special because it's triple black. It's a Mark V. It has 13,000 miles, and it has a factory sunroof. Car is really amazing. It's an all-original paint car, and I just got it from a longtime owner. I'll get you the history and some of the other videos when we go over the goodies as far as paperwork and what's in the trunk and whatnot. So let's just walk around it. 1979, so it's about 45 or 6-year-old car or so, if I did the quick math right. And for a car of this age with 13,000 miles, it's held up incredibly well. We're gonna walk around the car just to kind of show you what we got here, and then we'll go over it one more time and show any flaws or nicks or chips or anything that I touched up, which I did a few spots here and there. The car has been paint corrected. All the bright work looks really, really nice. And it just looks very nice in triple black. So let's look for any imperfections or touch-ups or chips. These are generally very susceptible to getting a lot of rock chips on the front of the car. Now, because this car has such low miles and it's black, I'm really surprised how few marks there are on this car, okay? There's something here that was touched up. Something got dripped on it, so there's a little line there, a little line there that we touched up. Another little spot there, a touch up there. Just some minimal things that, again, if I don't point them out and get close, you're not gonna see. Across the top of the hood looks great. There was a couple of touch-ups I did here, very minor little chips there that were done. You can see. And again, when I go over these cars and I show you these spots, a small touch-up chip there, and a small touch-up chip there. These are things that you're generally not gonna see in person. And believe it or not, this phone intensifies. I mean, to me, I'm looking through the camera, and the paint looks way better in person than it looks through the camera. You know, you're under fluorescent lighting, so you're gonna get the most realistic view of any flaws in the car, but look how nice the paint looks overall. I mean, it's incredible paint, but I'm just saying that you're gonna see some flaws here and there. It does have a laser straight body. Again, there is no rust on this car. I don't do rusty cars. If I get stuck with one, then I'm gonna disclose it, tell you what you got, and we'll sell it accordingly. Vinyl top is in beautiful condition. Sunroof glass looks great. There's not a ding in the car, not a door ding anywhere that I can see. A lot of times these fender well moldings get beat up. That one's straight. That one is also straight. I think there's a small ding on the other side that actually I wound up doing by mistake. Yes, I can make some mistakes now and then. As careful as I am with these cars, stuff can still happen. But look at all the bright work, the bumpers, everything is clear. There is no pitting. Bright work around the lights look great. All the Continental badging looks great. Again, we did paint correct this car, ceramic coat it. Look at that beautiful car. Hope to set a record with this one, guys. We do hold the record for the highest price selling town car. I think we're second or third with the Mark V. So I'm hoping this one will set a record. It deserves it, whether it does or not. That molding is perfect. And then here's where Bill made a little goof. And that's really minor. I think it was just, oh yeah, there's one little ping right there. I got kind of close to this wall and it just brushed that piece of white glass frame, and it just put the slightest of ding right there. Again, it's hard to see, but I know it's there. If I didn't tell you, you might not catch it, but again, we're all about transparency. The turbine wheels all look great. There's no curb rash on any of that. So let's go down the side, just look how reflective and mirror-like this finish is. Factory painted on pinstripe is still intact. You're gonna see this car on YouTube, and as usual, you're gonna see it on Bring a Trailer with a very conservative reserve. You know, I bring my cars to sell. My reserves are generally very low, and if they don't get to where they need to be, I will typically drop it to sell the car. So you're not wasting your time. Bid all you can, check out the hundreds of pictures that'll be provided in the listing and all the videos. So there's the exterior, guys. Definitely one to watch. If you're a Lincoln fan, this is your car. It is triple black. It does have a roof. It has ultra low miles. And we got some good paperwork that we'll go over in one of the next videos. So stay tuned for more. Have a great day. Enjoy the video. And as usual, bid all you can. Thanks.